Georgia is one of the best places na pwede mong puntahan at pasyalan na napakalapit sa UAE. During that time na pumunta kami, actually we went there for 2 times already. Isang tag-init at isang half tag-init, half tag-lamig. So, kapag tag-init talagang sobrang init din, okay? Kapag tag-lamig naman, sobrang lamig kasi sa yelo. Ngayon, kung pupunta ka doon sa half tag-init tsaka half tag-lamig, ma-enjoy mo talaga. Kaya lang you have to wear 2 kinds of clothes, depende kung saan kayo pupunta. Kasi, nakakatuwa, no? Minsan nandun kayo sa lugar na kung saan mainit, pagkatapos maya-maya pupunta ka sa may taktok ng bundok, malamig na. And not only that, there's a lot of beautiful stories like the Mother of Georgia, and the place is so amazing at marami ka pang ibang makikita. Kaya try to visit Georgia by booking here in Yes Pinoy Pro. We will arrange your visa, we will arrange everything. So if you're going to visit UAE, maybe you can also visit Georgia and Armenia. It's only almost how many hours difference. At pwede naman kayo magkaroon ng multiple entry visa, and everything will be arranged by Yes Pinoy Pro, including the visa, the tourist, the hotel booking, the tourist guides, and the tourism and everything. Pati yung leisure ninyo, kami nang bahala. Pag sabay-sabihin nyo yan, UAE, Georgia, at saka Armenia. If you still have time, go sa Azerbaijan. Kasi talagang maganda ang lugar. So, just book everything here in Yes Pinoy Pro and we will help.